Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how Lendingclub reports loans to credit bureaus. Now Lendingclub reports loan activities to the three major credit bureaus, that's Experian, Equifax and TransUnion. This means your borrowing and repayment behavior directly affects your credit profile. When you take out a loan, the amount, term and repayment schedules are added to your credit report. Each monthly payment you make is recorded, showing whether it was on time or late. Consistent, timely payments are going to help to strengthen your credit scores, while missed or late payments would definitely harm it. Additionally, paying off a loan in full is reported as a closed account in good standing, which benefits your long-term credit history. Keep in mind that Lendingclub does not report your pre-qualification checks, so shopping for rates won't impact your score. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.